so I told you earlier this week that I was gonna try and make a volcano for experiment day. Not a real volcano, just for fun. So you already kind of know what's gonna happen, right? I've got my soda and I've got these Mentos, and I don't know if you've ever seen a Mentos candy, but what it is, the reason candy is so bad for you is it's layers and layers and layers and layers and layers of sugar all around the middle here. So in between all those layers of sugar, there's little pockets of air gets in there. So what's going to happen is the carbonation from the soda is going to get in that air, and that's what's going to make it look like a volcano. Usually I would make you try to figure that out, but we'd already talked about it a little bit. So here's what I've always heard. I've always heard that Diet Coke, when you put a Mentos in it, makes the very biggest, tallest volcano. Okay, so we're going to do a little experiment to find out which one really does make the tallest one. So you're going to need your journals. Pause right now if you need to get your journal, because you got to document this like scientists. Okay, so what we're thinking about is these bottles. You turn your journal sideways, and if you find that center line, draw a line that goes all the way down. I've already started. And then on this side of the line, find the middle, draw another line going straight down. Same thing over here, get your line drawn. Now I started drawing my bottles already, and I'm just gonna show you how to draw the last one, and you can pause to get yours all drawn, okay? Here's all you need to do. Draw a little circle in the middle, that's the lid. And then you're gonna go whoop to the side of your bottle, and whoop down the other side of the bottle. Down here, a little smile for the bottom, and you're going to want to make sure you draw where your label is, because you're going to have to show which bottles you're predicting go where. Okay, so I've heard, I don't know if it's true, that Diet Coke usually makes the tallest volcano. So I'm going to go with that just because I heard it. Okay, now let's see. I've also got Dr. Pepper, Mountain Dew. Never drink this stuff, it's so bad for you. And I've got Pepsi. So now I want to decide if Coke is going to be my tallest. I'm going to kind of put them in order of the smallest explosion or fizz or whatever you want to call it to the tallest. So here's what I'm going to predict. Now your prediction is probably going to be different, right? I'm going to think maybe Mountain Dew's almost as big. I'll put Pepsi here. And then I'm going to put Dr. Pepper down here. So my prediction is that Dr. Pepper will shoot up the shortest. Pepsi will be a little bigger. Then the Mountain Dew, then my Diet Coke is going to be the very biggest one. So what I would need to do is go ahead and make my pictures match what I'm predicting, okay? So you might want to pause this and look at the bottles. You can put a little bit of color on there, but make sure you write the names on the labels so I know what you think, all right? Owen, what do you think? Do you have a prediction that's different than mine? We're putting these in order of what we think will happen from the smallest fizz volcano to the tallest. What do you think? Go ahead, move them around. Everybody else is predicting too.
I think that Pepsi and Mountain Dew are gonna be switched.
Okay, but you agree with the Dr. Pepper?
Yes.
All right, you know what we should do? Let's go outside and try it right now. Let's go. Okay, we're outside now, and we're gonna take the lids off. Owen and I both have our Mentos ready. Take the lids off right now. All right, what do you think about on the count of 3, Owen? We'll go 1, 2, 3, and then drop, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. What's bigger? All right. Record your evidence. I'm going to go record mine. All right, if you freeze the video, you can probably see pretty well how that went. I think the Coke was definitely the biggest. I saw the biggest spout come out of there. The very smallest one, if you look on the video, was Mountain Dew. So if you drew that in your journal, put a number 1 on that one because that was the smallest. Okay, next was the Dr. Pepper. Is that right, Owen? I remembered it right? So the Dr. Pepper was a little bit bigger than the Mountain Dew. The Mountain Dew barely did anything. So you put a number 2 on this one in your journal. And then the Pepsi got a little taller, didn't it? So that would be your number 3. And then the very biggest, number 4, was the Coke. What we heard was right. I think the Coke was the biggest. All right, now, Owen, you're not drinking any of this. Turn the video off.